Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix PC monitor turns off after a few minutes randomly. First method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Change to never under turn off the display, also change to never input the computer to sleep. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.